Alright guys, so I don't know how this happened, but we got like the whole squad in the Hellkeazy right now. We're about to roll out. They haven't ridden it yet. They've seen videos of me driving it, so it's about to be a pretty good reaction. This is like a last minute video. This wasn't even planned. We just all piled in and we're about to get reckless, to be honest.
You can't drift the whole circle. I don't even want to be in this car.
Oh my god! No way!
I'm about to go to
Mexico.
Actually, I swear to God, I've never been in like a fast car before, so
Really?
I've never been in a fast car before.
Never been in a fast car.
I mean, I've been in a
This is
Tesla.
good thing this isn't a fast car.
This bitch is kicking. Bro, this bitch kicks out.
That was like I just pedaled it.
Bro, you better get good at drifting.
Like I wreck it and then another YouTuber buys it. Rebuilding the Hellkeazy Part 3.
How fast was that?
60.
That's it?
55 mile an hour, the speed limit.
I gotta watch my facial expressions. You're just gonna like zoom in on myself and like slow-mo my mouth.
This thing just doesn't hook. It just spins. Also, we got how many pounds in this? We got like 1,000 pounds in
like
here.
300.
300.
I'm not even a person.
But there's easily 1,000 pounds in here. Definitely 1,000 pounds. I weigh 200. Put your seatbelt on.
No way.
I promise. I got mine on.
I'm a solid boy.
Been beeping for like an hour. People are gonna be like, oh my goddamn time this kid put his seatbelt on.
I know, for real. I'd never put my
I don't know why I don't have my seatbelt.
That shit gets drained
I
out.
don't got a seatbelt.
That beeping.
I had a little bit.
If you had two hands, it would have been better.
Let me hold that bitch. And you hit it.
Yeah, you hold it.
Let's do this, boy. Go around and go around and go around.
How long does it take to crash the Hellkeazy?
Hey.
Pretty fast, I drive like this.
Blast off.
The worst facial expressions in this video.
That's good.
No, it's not.
You always have the worst facial expression.
Shut your mouth! Do you hear this?
Heart's beating pretty hard.
2 hands on the wheel and let her eat.
Let her eat. Hell yeah, brother.
Let her eat tater shit. What's right here?
You gotta prepare me.
Right here, Judah.
Alright,
Oh my God.
Oh, shit, that bitch ate.
Look at the smoke, look at the smoke.
No smoking.
Oh my god.
Dude, that thing is 8.
Dude, you guys did it spinning so fast.
Oh my god.
Bro.
That's so bad. That's like a fire.
Dude, that was 1 donut.
That was rowdy, bro. That was crazy.
That's where you should have had our facial reactions, bro. Cause I have
Bro, I didn't even know what to record at that point.
Friends influenced me, bad friends. Don't be peer pressured.
I love you.
Kids, don't, if you're watching this, don't let your friends do that. My seatbelt like got me clenched in. Like I don't got no room.
Let's hold you in tight.
Yeah.
You should get
How do you get this thing to go back into like auto mode?
There's no
Oh, there
such
we go.
thing.
You gotta go in M and then back in the drive. That was rowdy, to say the least.
Dude, that was like, we were doing, my head was stuck to the seat. I couldn't pick my head up off to see what we were doing. It was spinning so fast. Bro, how do you like drive this thing going slow? I feel like it's not possible.
It honestly drives like a stock car when I'm not on it.
Hit it.
Dude, I'm not trying to, I'm going easy on this thing.
Bro, it's just to like, what? Race to 100.
No, bro, I'm putting it away for today before I get in trouble.
Think
this
you're
thing's crazy.
wrong.
And there's tons of room.
You like it?
Yes. Is this
Marcus, what do you think?
Tight.
It's how much tread I got left. Oh, we're good, bro. We're good. Got a little bit of rubber on the fender flare. Don't worry, I'm gonna pull this wrap off soon. But that was a little unplanned, but she's rowdy. All right, guys. So that was a really last-minute video. Literally, I pulled up to my shop and all my friends were like, "Yo, let's go for a ride." So you know, I had to grab the camera, take y'all for a ride with us, and yeah, I hope you guys like those reactions. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Wait for the next one. I'm not sure what's gonna be on. I still got a lot of things I need to do. I need to take the wrap off the roof spoiler. I still need to paint the little fender pieces. I need the new hood. There's a lot of stuff that I got going, but this is just a quick video real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked it, you want to support your boy, go cop some merch. As you can tell, my friends love it. Everyone that rocks it loves it, so go on my link down below. Go grab yourself some merch, and also I'm giving a piece of the wrap, the Hellkeazy original wrap, the blue original color with every order. So when you order merch, I'm gonna send you a piece of wrap with it, because a lot of people have been requesting that because they want a piece of the Hellkeazy for themselves. So saying that, that's gonna be a wrap. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.